I consider Hangzhou one city that is full developed and continuously developing new opportunities for who will join the life here under different point of view. For example, the social point of view, the working point of view. Io sono Alessandro, vengo dall'Italia, vengo da un paese vicino a Venezia, nel nord-est dell'Italia, e sono qui che lavoro ormai da tanto tempo ad Hangzhou e specificamente nel distretto di Qiantang. I work here in this company and then I am the Research and Development Department manager. So my job is to coordinate the work of our colleagues, and our task is to develop new components and also to test existing components in order to verify their performance. To develop components and new products in Hangzhou is more convenient because nearby here we have also a very extensive net of suppliers that they can provide to us the prototypes in a short time, and then we can control very well their quality, and also the delivery time is very competitive. And also here in Hangzhou, in Qiantang, we have an extensive net for the transportation. It's very convenient to deliver the goods through the delivery, the fast delivery, and also through the airport and through the port. I like to work with our colleagues, the local colleagues, because they can bring to us many new ideas. They come from different parts of China, and they come also from different education. And this is an enrichment for our department because it can help us to develop new ideas and to put forward new proposals that we can put in our job. And I like to work with them because they listen from my experience. I can bring to them the experience in